Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Thanks to all that have subscribed, turned on their notifications, gave me thumbs up by simply clicking on that thumbs up, letting me know that you really enjoyed and liked my video. Thank you very much. Well, as you guys can see, I'm back at it, cooking with these gadgets, and today we're using the KALORIK electric oven, and I'm baking the leftover cookie dough, my leftover oatmeal raisin cookie dough that I had made for my husband. Today I just shaped the dough into some oatmeal raisin cookie bars, and since I didn't have a pan to fit in the oven to place my cookies on, I'm just using the top of the broiler pan that came with the KALORIK electric oven. So hopefully everything turns out all right. So let's get started. What I'm going to do first, as I'm showing you, I have everything in there. I have the bottom of the broiler pan down here to catch crumbs and whatever grease, and you know the crumb tray is down there in the bottom, stays down there. And so let's get started. What we're going to do first is we're going to put it on. Let me see. Wait a minute. How about we close the doors first? Let me see. Okay. Now I'm going to be baking the cookies. So I pressed air fry. Let me see. Maybe. Yeah. Excuse me. I'm going to be baking cookies. So I pressed the start button. Now I press oven, and now I'm on bake. It has 25 minutes. But let me see. I'm going to be taking the temperature down. Let's bake them for 50, let's say around 15 minutes, okay? Okay, set that. Now for the temperature, I believe for the cookies, let's do it 375. Okay. So we have the time, 15 minutes, we have the temperature, 375, and as you can see, the light flashing for bake. And now, let's start. So now it's on. So we'll be back when, I want to turn the light on so you can see in there. We'll be back in 15 minutes or less to see how the cookies turn out, and if using this top of this broiler pan was a good idea or not, because like I said, I didn't have a pan. Right, I don't have a pan right now that fits in this oven to put my cookies on. I will be getting one shortly, but as for now, let's see if this works. Be back. Hold on. Hang tight. Stay tuned. Guys, look like I'm going to have to turn the pan around because the back cookie bars are browning faster than the ones up in the front. So all I'm going to do is 5 minutes left is turn the pan around so it can cook evenly and brown the front ones like the back ones. Okay. Okay guys, it's like 4 minutes left. I think we do have a winner. They're browning really nicely. Like I said, I did turn the tray around because the back was cooking a little faster than the front. So this electric oven, as far as baking, really does the job. It's really great at baking these cookies. I think next time I won't have the temperature at 375. I'll reduce it down to 350, and maybe instead of 15 minutes, maybe 12 minutes. The light just went out. So I'm getting ready to take them out. Let me open the door up because they are a little brown, and I'm going to let them cool and let you see after they cool down. I'll be back. Hang on. But this electric oven, KALORIK electric oven, is the business. Okay? I enjoy using it. Guys, I almost washed the pan before I showed you that the cookies came off easily. And I just took them off. They were still a little warm. I ate 2 already. But as you can see, the pan, yes, I have a few a little cookie residue left on the pan. And I guess it would have been better if I had sprayed it with a little Pam, you know. But I have to show you everything. The cookies are off of this broiler tray, and I placed them in a plastic bowl for now. Let me show you. Here are the cookies all baked up. Let me see. I did 12 minutes, and I was at 375 degrees. But I said that next time I'll bake cookies. Well, this particular kind of cookie, oatmeal raisin, I'll reduce the temperature for the at 350 instead of 375, and I'll do 12 minutes instead of 15 minutes, because like I said, some of the cookies started getting browner than others. And yes, I did try my best to equally make them the same size, the same thickness, so forth. But there are some really rustic looking cookies, as you can see. But they taste delicious. I really love them. And these are sugar free. I told you guys I used the monk sugar, M-O-N-K, to make these cookies. And they're still sweet because the sugar that I use. Check out my previous video of what I use in this recipe. I guess 1 or 2 videos before this video, I guess. I don't know when I'm going to release this video, but anyway, this is cooking with these gadgets, and today's gadget was a KALORIK electric oven. I enjoy using it. I love the baking. I love the how it bakes cakes, cookies. I haven't done a pie in here yet, but like I said, I have to keep using it, become familiar with it. So when I get ready to use it, I'll just, in a zap, I'll be pushing and twisting and turning the buttons to get to my proper temperatures and times, because I'll be used to cooking with this electric oven. It's fantastic for those of you that don't have an oven, a regular size, a regular kitchen stove. Try the KALORIK. I don't know, I'm not getting paid for this, but I'm just letting you know it's a great product. If the company happens to see my videos, thank you very much for coming through and watching it. But nope, y'all, I'm not getting paid. I'm just simply telling you how great a product this is for me. Me and my family, we love it. It was worth it. Like I said, I got it for the rotisserie and the dehydrator, but now we love it for baking too. Alright, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this review demonstration of this KALORIK electric oven product, and my cookies came out great. They're oatmeal raisin cookie bars, and I don't think these will be saved for any holiday cookies, because we've been ate these up. We will eat these up before Christmas cookie, you know, before the Christmas holidays and anything like that. But yeah, it is a great idea to bake some cookies though, but I'm rattling on. But thanks for watching, and welcome back all. And thanks for anyone that came across my channel and subscribed to support me and love my videos. Thank you. Bye for now.